like tables
Oh,
and
you
shit
don't
there.
like my
You know,
tables.
shelves around the
Oh.
usual shop.
Oh.
Could have a tire machine in
Oh,
there,
tire.
fertilizer. Fuck, you could have
Oh, you're trying to
fucking
bait me.
wild berries and
Trying to
wild
bait me with
grass.
this tire machine. You probably sold that tire machine. You probably don't even have it anymore, bro. You're just
Oh
trying.
yeah,
Oh, you're just trying
yeah.
to.
It's not sitting in my storage, and I'm paying
Oh,
$800 every month.
you're just trying to bait me to clean my garage, bro. I know how you work. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking, bro. I know. I know, bro. I know. 653 Denali, bruh. Okay, so Denali, it's at the end of Denali. Oh, it's up some stupid drive there. Okay. Okay, I'm heading out. So here's what's going to happen in any case. I'm going to go there, get this, come back. Probably going to load up. If I'm going to head out again, I'm going to take a tin load with me because I got steel everywhere here. So just clean the place up if I head out again. Drop some steel. And then, yeah, anyway, we'll see from there how that's going to go. Oh shit, I got to drop this off right away. No, I'll do it later. That's okay. I'll do it after. I'll do it after. Oh. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious, bro. Oh, I can't even reach it. I'm getting fat. Ooh. All right, dolly time. Ooh. Comes with a bush, eh? All right. Oh, where's the compressors? Right in the middle there, so gotta center it. So the old bandsaw, yeah, it's all about the bandsaw. So I picked up that HVAC pickup this morning, and I finally got to try to cut a straight line on a clean new rad. And this bandsaw with wood teeth, it's probably like 5 or 6 teeth per inch, wood blade, and it's just doing a fantastic job at cutting these rad ends off. Look how nice that is. Just cuts quick. You've all seen it cut quick, but it cuts pretty straight. The key is you want to make sure that none of your guides are going to be bumping against the tooth set. So you got to keep them. You got to keep them back far enough. Because if the guides start hitting the tooth set, then you lose your tooth set, and then at that point the blade could start to drift. It actually looks like it's a little bit, let's see, I might have to go back just a hair. Okay. Yeah, anyway, working good, so I'll carry on. This is just put some blankets down, lay it down, and unfortunately disassemble it. Yeah. You know, so now the main thing is, now you see these here, all these pegs? Yep. For me to separate the metal from the wood, I got to take all those out. So the whole process takes about 2 hours. I've done it many times now.
So these come out.
Yeah, those come out. But what happens is you would think that the metal could come off, but you've got to remove all of these tuning pegs.
So these tuning pegs go past the metal?
Yeah, they go past the metal into the wood. Oh. I know this because I've disassembled a lot of them. Right. Some of them have a cutout there so you don't have to. Yeah. And so now the reason you do that is because the pianos weigh about maybe 450, maybe 500 pounds sometimes, but just this back panel itself is 320 pounds. But if you take the metal out, then the metal is 160 and the wood is 160. Yeah. And that's like, for me, that's a manageable weight. Yeah. I can lift that up and carry it. So anyway, that's that. So, well, it's in a good spot. I mean, like, I'm not saying I'm going to damage your floor. We're going to put it's an old floor.
I just had to move this because the building inspector's coming.
Yeah, he's going to look in there.
Tomorrow morning he's going to go up there, and I'm hoping he can. I'm hoping I don't have to move this heavy thing. He should be able.
He's got a little step ladder. Yeah. I mean, I guess they're just looking for asbestos insulation, right? Yeah. Okay. So, I mean, price-wise, I could do this one for, say, $200. I don't want to get greedy on it, but I'm going to be here about 2 hours.
Yeah, I figured. Okay,
yeah, so, okay.
That's a deal.
Okay.
So you can tell me when you want to do it.
Okay, so you're not available tomorrow, though?
Well, it would be 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So the inspector...
I got two of my top YouTube guys here. I got Cruiser Mac and Canadian Treasure Hunter telling me I should look at these sockets a little closer, which of course I should do here. So let's poke around a little bit. And so it came apart pretty easily. I'll smash one up here, but it looks like the holder here is actually just copper. I mean, it's really a nice dark brown. So I guess that does happen, that they're copper, or nickel-plated copper. And then these two are also non-magnetic. These are the rivets, but I'm pretty sure that I gave them a quick grind here, and they look pretty brassy. So yeah, they come apart pretty good. So this should be pretty quick work to do this, because it's quite a brittle plastic, so it's not really taking too much to get them apart there. Maybe I'll do a little more so I don't. Anyway, I think I'm going to save this for the shop tomorrow, rather than. But we'll do one. I'll do one here anyways, just for fun. Okay, so we're going to get lots of plastic shrapnel, and then really all I got to do to finish it is just twist out those little bad boys there. Oops. Let's try this one first. That one came out pretty good. Actually, that one there. I guess, okay, there's one. I I guess I could always put it in as all as brass. Lose a bit on the, or just twist that. Yeah, just twist the whole tip right off there. So anyway, those are probably add up pretty quick. So I think I've got at least 100 of those. So should get a few pounds out of it. I think. Alright, anyway, I'm not sure why the bandsaw skipped track that time. I think I was twisting on the blade a little too much, but it's been pretty good. That's actually the first time it's done it, and I am clearly not using the tool for what its intended purpose is, so it's been doing very well for me. Just got all these copper ends here. They buy them like this, but you know, I don't know, certain things it's hard to give up on because I don't know, just it's so satisfying pulling these out, but I don't know. You know how it is. You just sell it all as tin, they'll buy it that way too. It's the fun in it then, eh? Where's the money in the fun if you don't do that? So yeah, it's going pretty good. I just mix it up a little bit. So I did a couple plugs. Now time to just process a bit of firewood. Just like that. Like so. Get a couple of those. The old bandsaw. It's all good till you take your thumb off, isn't it? Don't do that. My shop teacher in high school is missing a finger from the bandsaw, so I guess it can be a bit of a beast. I've forgotten about that. But yeah, this thing works so well. And yeah, back and forth to the fireplace, almost out of cardboard, so which is good. I got the piano tomorrow. I got another piano, so it's piano season. It's a generational retirement thing, so. My parents' condo they were staying in just flooded, so they might have to move back into their house.